How to find your cash tag on Cash App. In this tutorial, you will learn how to find your cash tag on Cash App. First, open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. Once you are here, make sure you tap on the profile icon. It is this icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are various options that you can use to manage and access different areas of your account. Make sure you scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Next, tap this option here named Edit Profile. This means this option will take you to a page where you can edit some of your Cash App account details. The sections that are here that can be edited are the cash tag option. The option appears here. Make sure you tap on it. After that, this page will appear where you can easily edit and make some changes to your cash tag, just like you can see me doing. You can copy it and share it with the person you would like to know your cash tag. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to find your cash tag on Cash App.